6 bad habits you should avoid for a healthier life. Hey there, YouTube family. We all have some habits that can negatively impact our well being. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in and learn how to kick these habits to the curb. Number 1. Poor diet. First up, it's a bad habit many of us struggle with: a poor diet. Eating too much junk food, processed snacks, and sugary drinks can lead to weight gain, nutrient deficiency, and chronic health issues. To break this habit, try meal prepping, incorporating more fruits and veggies, and staying hydrated with water or herbal tea. Weight gain. One of the most important effects of a poor diet is weight gain. Consuming excess calories, especially from unhealthy foods high in sugars and fats, can lead to unwanted pounds. This not only affects your physical appearance but also increases the risk of obesity-related health problems. Heart health. A diet rich in saturated and trans fats, as well as excessive salt, can wreak havoc on your heart. It raises cholesterol levels, increases blood pressure, and can lead to heart diseases like coronary artery disease and heart attacks. Diabetes risk. Poor dietary choices, particularly those high in sugar and refined carbohydrates, can increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. These foods can cause rapid spikes and crash in blood sugar levels, putting additional stress on your body. Digestive problems. A lack of fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet can lead to digestive issues. Constipation, bloating, and an increased risk of conditions like diverticulitis can result from a poor diet lacking in fiber. Energy levels. Feeling sluggish and tired all the time? Your diet might be to blame. Relying on sugary snacks and processed foods can lead to energy crashes, making it difficult to stay alert and focused throughout the day. Skin and hair health. Believe it or not, what you eat can affect your skin and hair. A diet lacking essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals can lead to acne, premature aging, and dull, brittle hair. Number 2. Lack of exercise. Next on the list is a sedentary lifestyle. Sitting too much and not getting enough exercise can lead to weight gain, muscle loss, and a host of health problems. Make it a habit to move daily, whether it's walking, jogging, dancing, or hitting the gym. Find something you enjoy. It'll become a positive habit. Weight gain. Inactivity can lead to weight gain and obesity, increasing the risk of various health conditions. Cardiovascular health. Lack of exercise contributes to poor cardiovascular health, raising the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. Muscle weakness. Unused muscles can atrophy, resulting in decreased strength and endurance. Bone health. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to reduced bone density, making you more susceptible to fractures and osteoporosis. Mental health. Physical activity has a profound impact on mental well-being. A lack of exercise can contribute to stress, anxiety, and depression. Energy levels. Ironically, inactivity can lead to feeling more tired and lethargic. Number 3. Smoking. Smoking is a well-known bad habit that can have severe health consequences. It increases the risk of lung cancer, heart disease, and more. If you're a smoker, consider quitting with the help of a support system, counseling, or nicotine replacement therapy. Smoking is widely recognized as a major risk factor for various health problems, including cancer. Smoking is a leading cause of lung cancer, but it's also linked to cancers of the mouth, throat, esophagus, pancreas, bladder, and more. Respiratory diseases. Smoking damages the lungs and can lead to chronic obstructive diseases, COPD, and emphysema. It also worsens conditions like asthma. Heart disease. Smoking increases the risk of heart disease by damaging blood vessels, increasing blood pressure, and promoting the buildup of plaque in arteries. Stroke. Smoking raises the risk of stroke by damaging blood vessels and increasing the likelihood of blood clots. Pregnancy complications. Smoking during pregnancy can lead to complications such as preterm birth, low birth weight, and developmental issues in the baby. Secondhand smoke. Exposure to secondhand smoke can harm non-smokers, increasing their risk of the above health issues. Addiction. Nicotine, the addictive substance in cigarettes, can lead to nicotine dependence, making it difficult for people to quit. Number 4. Excessive screen time. Many of us are guilty of excessive screen time, whether it's on our phones, computers, or TVs. This habit can lead to eye strain, poor sleep, and a sedentary lifestyle. Try setting screen time limits, taking breaks, and engaging in screen-free activities like reading or outdoor hobbies. Excessive screen time, particularly in the context of digital devices like smartphones, tablets, computers, and TVs, can have several negative effects on health and well-being. Number 1. Physical health issues. Digital eye strain. Prolonged screen use can cause digital eye strain, leading to symptoms like dry eyes, headaches, and blurred vision. Number 2. Mental health concerns. Sleep disruption. Exposure to screens before bedtime can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to poor sleep quality and sleep disorders. Increased stress and anxiety depression. There's evidence linking excessive screen time, particularly on social media, to higher rates of depression, especially among adolescents. Number 3. Cognitive development. Impaired attention. Excessive screen time, particularly in young children, can impair attention, span, and the ability to focus on tasks. Reduced social interaction. Spending too much time online can limit face-to-face social interactions, potentially hindering social development. Number 4. Addiction and productivity. Screen addiction. Some individuals can develop addictive behaviors related to screens and digital content consumption. Related productivity. Excessive screen use at work or during study time can reduce productivity and hinder academic or professional performance. Number 5. Physical safety risks. Distracted driving. Using screens while driving can lead to accidents and fatalities due to distracted driving. Number 5. Skipping sleep. Skipping sleep is another detrimental habit. It can lead to fatigue, mood swings, and even serious health conditions. Create a consistent sleep schedule. Create a bedtime routine and prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Number 6. Neglecting mental health. Lastly, let's talk about neglecting mental health. Ignoring stress, anxiety, or depression can harm your overall well-being. Make it a habit to prioritize self-care. Seek support from friends, family, or professionals, and practice mindfulness techniques like meditation. So there you have it. 6 bad habits you should avoid for a healthier life. If you're a book reader, do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. Remember, breaking these habits won't happen overnight. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. A happier, healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our wellness tips and advice. As always, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What habits are you working on breaking? Let's support each other on this journey to a healthier life. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay happy.